What's up, Trinorth fans? We are just outside Alexander. We're getting ready to pull out onto the lake. Just shift the old Jeep into four-wheel drive. We're gonna see how today goes, so stay tuned, guys. We should have some good footage. Just got done boring holes. We got Ethan in the house, setting everything up. Got the holes cleaned out. And we got Austin cleaning up the tippy holes. We are actually sitting just on the outside of a pretty good sized group. Sitting about 10 foot of water. We're gonna be trying to go for panfish, walleye, pike. Got a nice island there. Like I said, we're kind of in the middle of a little group, but definitely on the outskirts. So hopefully today's a pretty good day. We are optimistic. Let's hope Trinorth can score on some nice fish today. Got a little pike down there. Here, grab this. So, decided to set up on a different spot. We had the one fish, but our Pops came out. He's joining us today. And we moved about, I don't know, maybe 100 feet. Just to a tinier, deeper spot. So instead of 8 feet, now we're sitting about 12 to 15. So hopefully we can get a little luck here. Stay tuned, guys. Austin's got a decent fish, he says. Oh yeah.
I don't know what it is, but I'm getting set up, boys.
It is kind of hard to see. I see your face. It's a pike.
It's a nice pike.
Got to tip up. Hopefully get a fish here. Ethan ripped the last one out of its mouth, so hopefully this one's still on there. Oh yeah, we got a spinner. Got him?
Yeah.
Nice.
Doesn't feel very big, but
no, nothing big at all, but I can tell you what, it's nice to catch one, that's for sure. Oh, that is
put
number.
the gloves on, expecting a bigger one.
It is.
He's
running.
That was number 2 on the day.
He's
Been a slow. It's honestly been a slow day here on Alec.
Barely had one.
It's definitely been a slow day here on Alec. We've seen fish, nothing like uberly big. We're gonna keep on trying. We're probably gonna go about a half an hour after dark. Just for the crappie and walleye bite, we'll see. But did get a few pike here today, so. Alright, we just got packed up. We're gonna be leaving Lake Alec here. Wasn't like a super successful day today. I mean, just like we actually had the DNR come out, and he's like, well, at least you guys are outside fishing. And I was like, yeah, that's definitely a positive. So we did get a little bit of footage for you guys today. Probably would have been better as a short, but we're gonna give you just a small video. So it's not gonna be anything huge. I think we have 2 or 3 catches. I'm not sure, but I'll have to check out the footage. But so far, so good. We're gonna try and get out next weekend at some point, possibly. I'm not sure, but stay with us, like, subscribe, guys.